Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the idle on a Toyota Camry. First, you'll need to locate the idle air control valve, or the throttle body, as this is where the adjustment mechanism is typically found. It's crucial to ensure your engine is at its normal operating temperature before making any adjustments. Finally, connect a reliable tachometer to your engine to accurately monitor the revolutions per minute during the process. Next, you'll need to find the idle adjustment screw, usually located on the throttle body. It often appears as a flathead or Phillips head screw. For some Camry models, you might need to temporarily remove an air intake hose to gain clear access. It's important to remember that many newer Toyota Camry vehicles feature an engine control unit that automatically manages the idle speed, meaning a manual adjustment screw might not be present. Once you've located the adjustment screw, you can begin making changes. Turning the screw clockwise will generally increase your engine's idle speed, while turning it counterclockwise will decrease it. Make these adjustments in very small increments, perhaps 1/4 turn at a time, and observe the tachometer. Your goal is to reach the manufacturer's recommended idle speed, which is commonly between 600 and 800 revolutions per minute for a warmed-up engine. After adjusting, perform a final check to ensure your engine is idling smoothly without any hesitation or roughness. Also, confirm that no new warning lights have illuminated on your dashboard. Always refer to your specific Toyota Camry owner's manual for the exact idle revolutions per minute specifications for your model. If you continue to experience problems or are unsure about the process, it is always best to seek assistance from a qualified professional mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.